Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose Advanced Features. Now you need to click on One-Handed Mode section and click on this switcher in order to activate it. Following that, scroll down and tap on one of those options. Reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it in order to set it up and follow instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to rescale your window, hold one of its corners. You need to go back, do it again, hold one of its corners and drag it. In order to change its placement, you can click on this icon or hold this one and drag it to the top or to the bottom. In order to go back to the standard size screen, you can click on home button twice again or select this black area wherever, for example here or here. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same, no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!